Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Syntech 2-in-1 cable. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this cable and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, first off, you'll notice this is quite a bit thicker than maybe your typical USB-C cable here. It is a very durable cable. I like that a lot about the casing that's on the outside. It seems really nice and high quality and durable in my opinion. I also wanted to mention this cable is really nice and long. They say it's about 16 feet in length, which is roughly around 5 meters in length. So a very, very nice long cable here. And what I also wanted to show you is on one end, you have a USB-C, but you also have this USB-A adapter here. So we can actually go ahead and just pull this off here, but that is the adapter. You can see it's a USB-C end there, and then this is the adapter that just plugs in to adapt it to USB-A. And then the other side here is actually a USB-C as well, but it is on a 90-degree angle here. Now you could use this cable for a variety of different purposes, but I really like this one, especially because there's so much length. You can use it for devices that aren't necessarily right next to the port you need to plug it into, and for that reason, I would highly recommend this Syntech cable. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.